Welcome back. You're watching All About Ads on NDTV Profit. Now watch some ad films made by students aged between 11 and 21. This was an annual competition organized by the Ryan International Group held in Mumbai recently. We'd urge all brands to take it in the right spirit and of course remember that these are only for creative purposes. Have a look.
Does this look like a public service campaign by the Indian Railways? Well, it could very well have been. The only difference is that this has been created by an undergrad student from Mumbai.
I specifically chose not crossing railway tracks because I travel by trains every day, and I keep hearing these things of how people just cross the railway track to save 5 minutes of their time, and it can sometimes they get killed, but what's worse is sometimes they are fatally injured. And my friends, I've seen my own friends crossing railway tracks. I myself have crossed railway tracks sometimes just to save 5 minutes, but then I realize how dangerous it is, and I've been lucky, but I might not be later on. So I wanted to make this ad, and not only just for the general public, I wanted people more of my age to know about, to know this message of not crossing railways.
This ad film was among 1,500 others created by 11 to 21-year-olds as part of the Iceplex Ad Film Awards 2009 organized by the Ryan International Group of Institutions. Young enthusiasts were asked to come up with films across categories like public service advertising.
Making an ad is not easy. It requires a lot of creativity because in a short span of time you need to convey a message. So we felt that is more challenging for young children than making a long film. So that's how inspired us to start something known as IFA 2009.
I think they're very good ideas because the fact that we're having this ad film contest is to explore their ideas and their concepts, not to look at their technical excellence. We don't want to see how technically equipped the kid is. We want to see what their ideas, what their concept is. And we were very happy to see that also about 70% of the ads have come in the public service category, which is a very promising thing. It's somewhere down the line that we as educationists are doing a great job.
Jury members included the likes of Manmohan Shetty, Ila Arun, Bhavna Somaya, and the brand ambassador of the awards, Johnny Lever.
It is my personal observation that the younger the children, the more innocent and pure and original they were, and as they got older, there were other influences working on them.
And here are some of the award-winning concepts. This got Vaibhav Sharma the prestigious Shantaram Award.
Necessary to make a fancy ad or use fancy gadgets, so I thought to make a simple ad. So it struck to my mind that Bapu was the only one who was the example of simplicity.
Students also presented their own take on ads for existing products.
कितने पकवान थे सरदार पूरे 56 तुम दो और पकवान 56 बहुत नाइंसाफी है क्या सोच कर आए थे सरदार बहुत खुश होगा शाबाशी देगा मेरा क्या होगा रे कालिया सरदार छप्पन खाए हाजमोला की गोली खा।
हाजमोला खाओ, पूरे 56 पकवान पचाओ।
We sorted a lot of ads like regular ads, celebrity promotional ads and all that. And like I was thinking only of making a very good ad. So one day I was returning from a birthday party. So at that day my mother asked me, कितने पकवान थे? So that I thought that yes, it could be added in the script.
आँखें भी बोले मेरी टम्मी भी बोले, अरे क्या बोले? देखूं जो उसको तो मन मेरा डोले, अरे क्यों डोले? It's so yummy and it's so cool, अमूल कूल। जो कभी खुदा नहीं चुके क्या है खाता, अमूल चॉकलेट है उसको पता। ज़ाको यम्मी कौन है बनाता, अमूल चीज़ें मैजिक हो जाता। बस करो ये चटाई बताए, ये लो खाओ अमूल पटाए। We love अमूल। अमूल is the best.
I thought that most of people use Amul products. I too use an Amul product, so I thought I would make an ad on Amul.
A lot of people do ads on no smoking, but I wanted it to be a bit different. I've added humor to it, as in I've put in a concept, whatever happens, you cannot escape from smoking, it'll kill you anyways.
तुझे हम जो कहेंगे वो मानना ही होगा, और जब तक तू नहीं मानेगी तुझे खाना पीना कुछ नहीं मिलेगा। सड़ यहाँ पे।
It's always that we've seen women are going through so many traumas. They are pulled from their houses and being sold and all. So this was my group, my few classmates. We decided that let's take up this issue and make a movie out of it.
That seemed like the wackiest concept, futuristic ad, something that you've never seen before.
Iceplex Ad Film Awards may be in its second year, but it's definitely on its way to becoming a great creative outlet for youngsters who are especially interested in the art of ad filmmaking.
From ad films made by students to some international ads, that's coming up after this short break.